My name is Rosemary. I'm 56 years old. I live in Little Egg Harbor now, but grew up in Manahawkin. I am a cancer survivor for approximately 3 years. It'll be 3 years in July. I first found a lump while on vacation in St. Martin with my husband. I blew it off as, it has to be a fatty tumor, can't be cancer, nobody's got cancer in the family. It was in the back of my mind, kind of ruined the last half of the trip a little bit. And I had developed a cold, so I was in touch with my sisters, and I had asked them to make a phone call to our family doctor to set up an appointment so I can get there as soon as I got back without telling them really why. I went to see her. She knows my personality really, really well, so she calmed me down. She's like, don't worry about it. We're gonna have the mammogram. We're gonna check it out. She sent me over to Health Village. April 30th, I went into Health Village. I cried. It's a bad day. After I got myself together, got out of there, sat in my car for a while, and then drove over to my sister Jody's house.
She came right over and told us, and I think I was in disbelief. That's what she tells me anyway.
I went to Health Village again, to Dr. Evan Naylor. In his opinion, when my sister Jody asked, what would you do? He recommended the chemotherapy.
I just tried to be there for her. We cried a lot, a whole lot, and then just kicked into, what do I need to do to get her through this?
Did my four rounds of chemotherapy at Southern Ocean Medical Center. Nurses there were phenomenal. Everybody in there just treated you like you were special. I didn't have history of breast cancer in my family, so I never even thought that breast cancer was a possibility. Now I do advocate for mammograms. I'm on my sister's backs constantly.
She definitely stays on top of us. You never know. Go and get your mammogram, and I complain because it's a little painful, but she says it's not as painful as getting a mastectomy. So that keeps me in check. You want to be around for your loved ones. It's not always about you. It's about the other people around you. So get your mammograms so that you can live a long and healthy life and be here for your family. Rosemary works alongside with me. I do not know what I would do without her.
Being with my sisters made it very, very easy. Always laughing, we're always laughing.
Sometimes we can just look at each other and laugh, just silly jokes. Poking fun at one another is huge for us. Always loving one another behind that, though.
Believe in your team of doctors. You have to really trust your doctors. Everybody talking together, it means the world. Southern Ocean Medical Center was the best hospital for me. Kept me local, kept my sisters able to be there with me at all times. The doctors and nurses were phenomenal. They really, really do care about you, and they really do try to talk to you, answer your questions, and help you through anything. I just like being close to home.